Hi everyone, it's Ryan here. Today I'm doing an Akane Owari makeup tutorial. First you want to start off with eyebrows and a base. I already put that on because I had places to go today. So just put on your base and eyebrows. And if I keep looking over here, it's because there's a mirror here that I will be using. You want to put on your powder so everything sets. I did not do that yet, and that is why I'm creasing. Also, if my camera dies halfway through, I am so sorry. I will try to pick up where I left off. So, since I already have eyebrows on, I'm going to start with the eye makeup. I'm going to do a pretty natural makeup look for her, since I don't see her wearing like a lot of pinks and stuff like Mikan or Junko. So I'm just going to start off with a light brown shade and go around my eye. See? And then gradually get darker as I go. She has pretty defined eyes, like pretty dark around the corners. So I'm going to bring that down here. And I'll most likely be using one brush for this since this is my favorite brush. Also, please wash your brushes. Do not be like me and just not wash them. So I will take a slightly darker shade now and just darken that just a little bit. You can't see that. See, it's gotten a little bit darker. I'm going to take an even darker shade and just darken that up just a teeny tiny bit. See? It's getting darker. I make weird faces when I do my makeup. I just find it a lot easier to make weird faces. Also, if it gets too dark, you can blend it out with your fingers. Now, see? Now maybe I am going to take a red. I'm going to take a red now and just go on the outside of that just to make it a little bit more interesting. I usually do heavy blush for my characters and like take it all the way up to the eyes, but I don't think I'll do that for her. I think I'll just keep it more natural and a little bit darker. See, I added a little bit of red and it's a little bit better. Then you're just going to take a shimmery shadow. I'm taking this yellowy one. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just taking the yellow one and putting it on the inner corner, well, the inner half of my eye, just to make it a little bit pretty. Ta-da! Now, fun fact, if you don't want to use eyeliner because you have a limited amount of it, you can use setting spray, spray it on the eyeshadow, and it'll be just as good. This is what I've been doing lately for my everyday makeup since I have a limited amount of eyeliner and I currently don't have a job, so don't have too much money. I also have a mirror down here, so see what I did? I have slightly hooded eyes, so I do eye makeup a little bit differently. See what I've done with the eyeliner? There we go. Hopefully that's not blurry, but see what I've done? I've just done a big wing. Big wing. I feel like she would have big wings. And I'm just gonna do the other eye. If it's blurry, I'm incredibly sorry. This is my first time filming a video in quite a while, as you can tell. Well, this eye's messed up already. Just gonna fix that a little bit. Well, whatever. Fake eyelashes cover all. Yeah, not too bad. Well, this one isn't quite atrocious, but it's fine. It's okay. Yeah, they're totally uneven. But you know what? Like I said, fake lashes cover all. See, they're quite uneven, but it's okay. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one is perfect. Nothing is perfect. So Or like maybe Timothy Chalamet. He's chef's kiss. So done with that. Wait, no. We are not done with that. She has a little bit darker right under here. So we're just going to take that eyeshadow and setting spray mixture and just put it under the eye. Put it under the waterline so that it connects with the top wing. I really hope I'm not blurry. If I am, I am incredibly sorry and I will try to fix it. Now, Akane, I have reference pictures on my phone. Always have reference pictures. She has a line, a longer line right here with a few shorter ones. So I'm going to do that. See if I can get the other eye even now. If you have to wipe it away, that's okay. Ooh, pretty good. Pretty freaking good. I'm just going to make this line a little bit thicker. Ooh, bam. Some e-girl shit right here. So, now, for my least favorite part, fake eyelashes. So you're just gonna place this along your lash line. I did a pretty good job with that, but it needs to be more in my inner corner. I use tweezers to make it the way I want it to be, instead of just fingers. Hi, my camera died, so we were just finished with, is it blurry? We just got done putting the first false eyelash on, so now we are going to put the second one on. It's not super important, but I thought I should fill you in that my camera died. What makeup tutorial should I do next? The options are Mr. Aizawa from BNHA. Hi, bud. What else? The options are Mr. Aizawa, Toga, and who else should I? Okay, just choose between Mr. Aizawa and Toga. Also, with putting on fake eyelashes, I don't wait for the glue to dry. I just kind of do it. Just kind of put it on my eye and hope for the best. See, that did not turn out well. Sometimes hoping for the best is not the best. Ooh. Also, if you have contacts, put them in before you put any makeup on. I do not have contacts, because I don't have money, but if you have contacts, put them on before you put any makeup on, and make sure to wash your hands before you put them on and just rinse them out with saline solution. Take good care of your contacts and your eyes. Always wash your hands, always change out the contact solution, wash them with contact solution, be a good contact user. Yeah. See, I'm not the best at putting on I'm not the best at putting on false eyelashes. I get them uneven all the time, but better to try than not at all. Then you're just going to put some mascara on your bottom lash line, or your bottom lashes. You can also put falsies on your bottom lash line, but I am not going to since that's a pain in the booty. Also, it is required to make weird faces. And if you get some mascara on the bottom of your eye bag, just wipe it off quickly. There. That didn't make a huge amount of difference, but it still made a difference. Now I'm going to put a teeny bit of blush on Akane. Just like right here and on the nose. Just so it kind of contours my face a little bit, because I don't normally use contour powder. I just normally use blush for everything. I love blush. It's beautiful. Ta-da! Then on the nose, you're just gonna woo. it is time for the lips. I take multiple lips. I take a red, and I take a darker red. You can also use a liquid lipstick. I usually use a liquid lipstick, and I put that in the center of my lips, blend it out, then I put the darker red in the center of my lips, blend that out as well. I just use my fingers to blend it out. Ooh. Blend. Then you put the darker red on the center of your lips, and blend it out as well. That was stupid. If you want, you can put on lip gloss. I personally do not like using lip gloss. It's just something I don't like. I'm gonna take a highlighter. I like putting highlighter on the tip of my nose. If that's too much, you can wipe it down a little bit. Just make it sure it's all shiny. And then on my cheekbones. Or just on your cheek. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. There's not much light coming in. You can also use a pink highlighter to make it more cute. So, now that you've got all this on, you're ready to put on the outfit, which I already have on. Oh, my head was getting cut off. And then the wig. Now with the wig on, you're all set to take pictures, do TikToks, whatever you want to do in this. I personally love doing photo shoots with friends. Why does that hair keep... There we go. I personally love doing photo shoots with friends and cosplay. It might be a bit hard right now because of COVID, but if y'all wear masks and are safe, you can still do it. And then also TikToks, although TikTok may be getting banned in the US, so who knows. Also Instagram pictures are great, and yeah, just have a lot of fun in your cosplay and good luck on your makeup. Bye bye!